Hello everyone. Basic muffin is the basic recipe, and this you can do it after that with any mix of fruit. This is the basic muffin, really tasty, fluffy, and have special flavor. All you need to know in this video, if this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa 2011, corporate pastry chef for many cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, MSC, and Norwegian Cruise Line. All my skill and experience at sea here in this channel. Basic recipe: 120 gram flour, 3 gram baking powder, 2 gram baking soda, 40 ml milk, pinch of salt, 40 gram sugar, vanilla. Beginning: oil and eggs. Then milk, egg, oil, milk, and then pinch of salt, vanilla. I prefer vanilla extract. This is vanilla sugar. Baking powder in the flour, salt in the eggs, and baking soda in the flour. So even the sugar in the flour. This is the basic. I never in muffin mix sugar with eggs. I only mix dry ingredient together and liquid together. Later on, as you see, I mix all ingredients. This recipe is for standard muffin, 4 pieces of standard muffin. I prefer to keep it 10 minutes before to pour in muffin mold. After 10 minutes, I prepare my muffin mold. Then you can scoop with vanilla ice cream, with a spoon, whatever you want. But I prefer to make cornet flour from paper, just to control exactly how high you want to be. Normally I fill muffin 2/3 of the mold. Minimum I leave 1.5 centimeter empty. You can fill it in piping bag or parchment paper. These 4 muffin cakes. If you want to increase this recipe, you just added 0. Instead of 120 gram of flour, you put 1200. Instead of 3 gram baking powder, 30 gram, and so on. And now you have the perfect basic muffin with own special aroma. Thanks for being in my channel. Always says, work smarter, don't work harder.